I bet this video is going to be legend. Wait for it. Dairy, legendary. Hopefully. Happy birthday to the smartest, funniest, and the most beautiful person in the world. Wait, did I just say to? I mean from. This video is all going to be about Shika's journey from her childhood till now. For all those who didn't know what Shika looked 17 years ago, let me show you. When asked to recite a poem, this is what she did.
Poetry म्हण बेगी. Poetry म्हण.
Hedona, Ivana Shomira, Ashegoi, Amsukui Piala, Imutlesi Kuri, Hedona, Ivana Shomira, Amsukui Piala, Imutlesi Kuri, Hedona, Amsukui Piala, Imutlesi Kuri.
Shika did this before it was cool. Back in 2000, I don't remember the year, but it was in the second grade when Shika and I were in the same group to perform a Punjabi dance. She was wearing this yellow attire. I'll show you the picture of me. That's me. Okay, it's her birthday. Focus. I have a small clipping of her where she was dancing in one right corner and I was on the left side. I'm not visible though. But then it's fine. वो जी जान लगाकर डांस कर रही थी. Let me show you that clip. We were in the same group performing the same dance and we still didn't know each other that well. That's the funny thing about destiny, you know. It happens whether you plan it or not. I mean, I never thought we would be best friends after 4 years. But it turns out that I was just too close to the puzzle to see the picture that was forming. Yeah, that is Shika. And we are best friends now. Can you believe that? When I asked this girl what were her 3 wishes, the first one was she wanted a Bollywood touch in her life. Wish granted. Alia Bhatt. Kajal. Okay. Deepika Padukone. Fine. And that is Shika when I say no to her plans. She had problems in handling her dupatta since forever. Like forever. And that's Shika showing off her set of skills. Consider this as your gift और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को. Okay? Bye.
Wait a minute.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Hello Shika, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year and a great day.
Happy birthday, Didi.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika.
कभी कभी आदती जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है. कभी कभी आदती वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है. ऐसे में कोई कैसे अपने आंसुओं को बहने से रोके और कैसे कोई सोच दे everything's gonna be okay. कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा. कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा. ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए, कैसे हंसते खुश होके और कैसे कोई सोच दे everything gonna be okay.
Happy birthday, Shika.
Happy birthday, Shikha.
Happy birthday, Shika.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिखा
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिका दीदी
सोच जरा जाने जा तुझको हम कितना चाहते हैं रोते हैं हम भी अगर तेरी आंखों में आंसू आते हैं गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं
कसम से
राती मार कभी कभी सारे जहां में अंधेरा होता है लेकिन रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है कभी कभी आदती जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है कभी कभी आदती वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है आदती हंसते 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 चूजा नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा
Happy 21st birthday, Shika. May you have a blessed and a prosperous year ahead. God bless you in your future endeavor. This is a small gift from me for you. I hope you like it.
Happy birthday, bye. Wish you very long, healthy and happy life. This is a small gift for you. I'm sure you'll like it.
Happy birthday, Shika.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika.
Happy birthday, Shika.
Happy birthday, Shika. God bless you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिखा
Happy birthday, Shika.
तू खुश है तो लगे कि जहां में छाई है खुशी सूरज निकले बादलों से और बांटे जिंदगी तुम तो जरा मदहोश हवा तुझसे कहने लगी याद की वो जब चढ़ते एक नए दिन फिर मिल जाते अब भी जान तो या जाने ना भूल फिर खिल जाते हैं कभी कभी आदती जिंदगी में यूं ही कोई अपना लगता है कभी कभी आदती वो बिछड़ जाए तो एक सपना लगता है आदती हंसते
Happy birthday, Shika. Many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika.
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिका विश यू अ very happy returns of the day शिका दीदी I love you
Many happy returns of the day, Shikabai. Wish you a long, happy, healthy, prosperous and a corona-free life. May God bless you.
बर्थडे शिका ऐसा ही खुश रहो ऐसा ही आगे बढ़ो हैप्पी बर्थडे शिका ऑल द बेस्ट एंड नो डाउट यू आर माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड एंड आई लव यू द मोस्ट हैप्पी बर्थडे डार्लिंग
Happy birthday, Shika.
Many happy returns of the day, Shika. Love you.
So I know you must be thinking that मंदार किधर है यार पूरा वीडियो खत्म होने को है मंदार है ही नहीं So here I am last but not the least wish you a very happy birthday Shika Desai and I hope you have a great day
आदती हंसते 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 चूजा नहीं तो बस थोड़ा 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 मुस्कुरा
Hi guys, happy birthday to me. I'm turning 21.